So this is the unit. Avida Centera Tower 2. 28th floor, topmost floor. Around 40 square meters. 1 bedroom. And this is around 6.1 million regular price. Discounted price, subject to management approval, pwede natin siya makuha around 5.5 million. Corner unit siya. This is the bathroom, very spacious. Luwag niya. And then this is the bedroom area. As you can see, yun ang view niya. May konting view ng City View EDSA and ano bang condo to? Light residences yata yan. So we have windows on both sides kasi nga corner siya. May painting pa dito. So nagamit po siya or natirhan ng previous owner. So yun, kita yung swimming pool, konti nga lang. And then may foyer tayo dito upon entry. So this is as is where is upon turnover. So all the movables inside this unit, tatanggalin po yan bago po siya ma-turnover sa atin. Available in cash or at least 10% down payment. And then 90% balance in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. This is first come first serve. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly.